vibes, indie vibes, indie vibes, indie vibes. SABA, 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 SABA. Uthini indie vibes boy? Uthini indie vibes boy? Uthini boy? Indie vibes, indie vibes is a slime. Indie vibes is a slime, chat. Let's go. All the way from KZN, let's give it up for Indie Vibes one time. All artists are welcome. Everybody is welcome. You know what I'm saying? Upcoming artists, please send me your shit. Let me peep it. We're gonna test it live on stream. We're gonna test this live on YouTube. We're streaming all upcoming artists. This is your platform. This is your turn. This is your time to shine. We're not only reacting to big artists now. We're going to the bottom. We're gonna find the next big thing. Let's go. Unganya boy, them bad niggas are just different, man. KZN Brews are just different, bruh. KZN Brews.
Wanna venge as a fampo. Nah, cold it, doom senko. Sasa, loro nigga, togi kakabamu. So baba, energy, scabisko, ashari. Parama, I'm a big dose, cantolo vera cha. Peso penso, yazi veras panica. Yeah, no se cali cuidado, when you know who big un popo, who vale ranesto, don't say. Sazo twali tombo, no popo vi no more, nyazo sazo tingu si.
Yo. Chat, are you listening?
Legendary shit, I think I need a statue. Permanent shit, baby like a tattoo. We moving operation looking terrible. Saucy minion when I cook up, keep him fired. Got a sticky on my waist like a bamboo. Got your busy in my place, said she don't like you. Heard you my wife, little shawty crushing your IQ. Can't be for little niggas, I treat it like a
Hurry up!
Fufu Mendes, Playboy Lee, King on Mendes, Fufu Mendes, Playboy Mendes. I said salam over the summer, so you need to focus. In case I'm smelling and it's pushing tickles, spend it bonus. Padra siapa cosa so siapa in position. And look at some mechanical jamos as on Genza. I'm paying the shitty, sounds and really picking. Sawa.
Playboy with them cuts, Zamza do good. Traffic on phone, but the more than Casa Pants. Indian Zanga, Nina Mara. Sabi, won't you let me mess at our moons? Funu bonu corners, bonu night juice, bonu night sauce. Season on shoot, Nina Mara, so. I said salam over the service, so you need to focus. In case I'm smelling and it's pushing tickles, spend it bonus. Padra siapa cosa so siapa in position. And look at some mechanical jamos as on Genza. I'm paying the shitty, sounds and really picking. Sawa. And everyone catch us.
Shout out to Zulu niggas. Shout out to the Zulu niggas. All the way from KZN, man. It's your boy Indie Vibes one time, chat. It's your boy Indie Vibes one time, chat. No fucking way. No fucking way. No fucking way. No fucking way. Shout out to the Zulu niggas. Double niggas are one time, shower. Fuck is you talking about? 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 Oh nah. We need to actually get the fuck up. We need to start cooking, chat. Otherwise, these Zulu brews are cooking, man. Cause what the fuck was that? 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 Shout out to KZN niggas one time, chat. Shout out to KZN niggas one time, chat. SABA one time in the fucking building. Let's fucking go. That was a banger. That's what I want, chat. Nothing else, chat. That's what I want, chat. Shout out to these brews. Shout out to any vibes. Thank you for putting me on to this sound one time. Shout out to Kasapanti. Shout out to Playboy Leo. Shout out to Captain 925. One time. You up niggas. With the nigga that's doing the hook though. SABA, that nigga that's doing the hook in the first verse. Fuck out of here. The second verse nigga is who was spazzing. Fuck out of here. The only brew that didn't cook well enough for me is the third verse. The last guy, the last person. That brew didn't cook well. That's just my opinion. The other brews were going dumb. They were going dumb. For me, that's my opinion. They were going stupid. SABA, one time to the Deben niggas, one time. Shout out. SABA.